Standard 10, Subject History and Political Science, Chapter 5, Mass Media and History. Mass media contains two words. Mass in this context means an aggregation of people. Media means various modes of communication. Thus, mass media is a field of mass communication. In the olden days, a crier would run in the street beating drums and crying out important news according to the orders of the king. The news would spread among people by word of mouth. Newspaper became the first mass medium of circulating information and knowledge among people. Newspaper provide various local, national and international news. Newspaper are historical documents which record current events. Precursors of newspaper. Before the beginning of the Common Era, there was a custom in Egypt of placing inscriptions with royal decrees at public place. Emperor Ashoka also resorted to similar method to reach out to his subjects. It was a very effective way of conveying royal commands to people. In the 7th century, royal dictates were distributed among people at public places. Bengal Gazette. The first English newspaper of India was printed on 29th January 1780. It was named as Calcutta General Advertisers or Bengal Gazette. It was started by James Augustus Hickey, an Irish gentleman. Darpan. The newspaper Darpan was started in 1832 in Mumbai. Bal Shastri Jambekar was the editor of Darpan. The news printed in Darpan can be reviewed to know about the political, economic, social and cultural events of those times. Prabhakar. This newspaper was started by Bhau Mahajan. The history of French Revolution and Satpatre, the letters by Lokhitwadi aimed at creating social awareness were published in this newspaper. Dhyanoday. Dhyanoday printed the map of Asia in 1842 and the map of Europe in 1851. Kesari and Maratha. Kesari and Maratha, the two newspapers, are indicative of an important stage in the history of Indian newspaper before independence. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gangadhar Tilak started these newspapers in 1881. Magazines and journals. Magazines and journals are periodical publications. This category includes publications which are weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, 6-monthly, annual, etc. There may be some chronicle which are published at no fixed time. Bal Shastri Jambekar started the first monthly magazine in Marathi. It was named Digdarshan. Electronic or digital journalism. These are ultra-modern periodicals form of part of electronic or digital journalism. History is a prime subject of interest for these periodicals as well. Many web news portals, social media, web channels, YouTube, etc. make historical content available to the audience readers. Radio. Indian Broadcasting Company, a private radio company, was the first one to broadcast daily programs. Later, the same company was taken over by the British government and named as Indian State Broadcasting Service. On 8 June 1936, it was renamed as All India Radio. After independence, All India Radio became an integral part of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Initially, it broadcasted government programs and schemes. It was named as Akashvani on the suggestion of the famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. Akashvani broadcast various entertainment, awareness creating and literary programs. The Vivid Bharati programs are broadcasted in 24 regional languages as well as 146 dialects of the Indian languages. Lately, various news channels like Radio Mirchi are providing radio service. Television. The Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first Indian president. Doordarshan's Mumbai Center began to telecast its program on 1st May 1972. Color television was introduced on 15th August 1982. In 1991, the Indian government granted permission to private national and international channels to telecast in India. Thus, it became possible for Indians to watch international events on television. Need of mass media shall be continued in our next video. Thank you.